Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're going to talk about the best standing magnifying glass on the market, the 10x magnifying glass with light and stand by RackydigPro. Whether you're working on intricate crafts, painting, reading, or any close-up work, this magnifying lamp is an essential tool for anyone who needs a little extra clarity. So, let's dive in and see why this product could be a game changer for you. This magnifying lamp stands out because of its innovative design and user-friendly features. One of the first things you'll notice is its flexible gooseneck, which allows you to adjust the lamp to just the right angle for whatever you're working on. Whether you're reading tiny text or working on a detailed hobby project, this lamp can easily be positioned to suit your needs. It also includes a unique button design for controlling the brightness and color modes. Instead of fiddling with switches or dials, you can seamlessly change between 5 different color modes, adjusting the light's warmth or coolness to match your environment. And if you need precise control over the brightness, the steepless dimming feature lets you fine-tune the light to the perfect level for your task. What makes this magnifying lamp even more impressive is its superior magnification. With a 10x real glass lens, this lamp provides clear, distortion-free magnification. Whether you're into painting miniatures, sewing, or any other craft that requires close inspection, you'll find the magnification is sharp and precise. The 3.75-inch lens ensures that you get an ideal view of your work, making it easier to focus on fine details. Another great feature is its 2-in-1 design. The lamp comes with a sturdy clamp that attaches securely to your desk or workbench. This unique clip design ensures stability, even when the lamp is adjusted to the most extreme angles. It's built to hold tight without any wobbling or instability, which is a common issue with many other magnifying lamps. Plus, the clip has a 2.5-inch distance that can accommodate various desk sizes, and the protective pads ensure that your workspace remains undamaged. The lighting system is another highlight of this product. Unlike typical lamps with only one light color, this one offers 5 color modes, ranging from cool white to warm yellow. This versatility means you can choose the best lighting for your eyes or the project you're working on. Whether you're working late at night or in the middle of the day, the 1500 lumens of consistent light ensure that you won't have to strain your eyes. This magnifying lamp is also a thoughtful gift for seniors or anyone dealing with low vision or macular degeneration. It provides the support they need to maintain their hobbies or do everyday tasks without compromising their vision. Whether they're doing puzzles, reading, or engaging in detailed crafting activities, this lamp makes it much easier for them to see clearly without straining their eyes. To wrap up, the 10x magnifying glass with light and stand by RackydigPro is the perfect tool for anyone who needs extra magnification and lighting for close-up tasks. With its adjustable gooseneck, 5 color modes, and real glass magnifying lens, it's designed to make your work easier and more efficient. The solid clamp and steepless dimming options only add to the convenience and versatility of this lamp. So, if you're looking for the best standing magnifying glass, this is definitely a product you should consider. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit the like button if you found this review helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews.